This is the first time I'm ordering the chamani chicken skin snack. Yes, it is made from chicken skin and it is packed in a sleek black box with the company logo embossed right at the top. So I got free delivery with the order of 3 packets plus 15% discount. So this is tom yum chicken skin, and I was told the original chicken skin flavor is the best. I wanted to try the salted egg yolk flavor, but it was out of stock. Let me try and see if it tastes as good as they claim. There's not a lot of chicken skin in a pack. Not cheap for the price. And let me taste. Hopefully it doesn't disappoint. It's very crispy, slightly on the salty side. I have no complaint. It tastes very good, but maybe it's a bit pricey. I suppose the processing method make it expensive. Apparently 99% of the fat from the skin of the chicken has been removed, so you can snack on this without the guilt. You can try by ordering online from their website, CEMANI website.